tell you how it will affect with multiple personalities. Now, if you're talking to a D guy is pretty direct. उसको अगर आप फैमिली के बारे में पूछोगे, you'll ask about family and all those stuff, he will get irritated. He doesn't have patience. When you're talking to a D guy, you have to come to the point. What is the point? For what purpose you're connecting to him? Let's say talking to the D guy for book club. Let's say a few days back I was talking to a person over the call explaining about the idea around book club. Now while I was talking to him, initially my agenda was not to build connection ki, hey, where are you from, oh I know Telugu also, all those, nothing. He called me for the book club. I talked. Yes, this is the initiative started from Peak Impact Mentorship. Starting from the point, I connected him to the vision of what we are trying to do, and then he actually opened up. Then after I connected with the point, he got connected. This is what I really wanted to do, Kiran. I was looking for something similar to this. And then he started opening up. He told Kiran, where are you from? What do you do? And all those stuff. For a D, it is always to the point. Why are you connecting with that person? Now for a I personality, for I personality, you have to listen to them. In the sense, before coming to the point, they will talk all of their life. Imagine if you're talking about the book club. Now I will start talking to him or her, talking, hey, how was your day, or how was your work? If I'm calling in the evening time for the book club purpose, I will start with a simple line, how was your day? Now if that particular person is I, he or she will share her story. Oh, my day was pretty good. I had this boss ke saath aisa hua tha. My friend has went. They are very, very highly energetic and they really want to share their stories. And after they share the story, you just have to listen. If you don't have proper listening skills, then you will lose them. The moment they cover their own story for almost maybe 10-15 minutes, sometimes I personally can talk to hours. I'm telling you with my experience, many people have talked to multiple people. I personality can talk to hours. But agar aap D personality, if you're a D guy, then your patience is already lost. And why is this person is not coming to the point? Please come to the point. But if you showcase your frustration to the I personality, then she or he is lost. You lost the conversation. But you will really have to develop a listening skills and empathetic skills to really listen to the person. Then automatically I will come to the point and tell you, hey Kiran, you're talking about this book club. When it is, I want to join. You don't want to share any vision and said, they will directly tell, I want to join. So that is how I personality it is. And you can connect with them so beautifully. Coming to the S personality. S personality, the most peaceful people. For them, you don't have to do any such drama, all those stuff. Direct, you can talk. Maybe you can ask, how are you doing? Where do you belong from? And they won't go jump, or they won't ask you, come to the point and all. They will actually listen to you. And based on the normal flow, based on your personality, they will actually take you to the flow. And after you talk about family or whatever occupation with them, and you can slowly come to the point as well. So the normal flow works with S personality, but for D and I, you got the point. Now the C personality, ideally, it is little skeptical. It always focuses on process oriented. So you can ideally start with process. You can ideally start with the point. Agar aapko C ke saath, if you're talking about a compliance person, if I'm talking about the book club, I will probably start with the book club and talk about the process, how I've built and the purpose the book club is trying to solve, or the PIM is solved. And in that journey of the talk, I will try to connect. And see people, if you're able to connect with the point and then go to their personal life, it would work. So just to summarize my whole talk, first connecting principle acronym we learned, if you can talk to anyone with this 4 simple acronym. F is family, O is occupation, R is recreation, M is message. So family is pretty simple, your personal life, your relationship. Occupation is pretty simple, your professional occupation. Recreation is something which is the hobbies. It could be your, if you love cricket, so I can connect with the other person with the example of cricket. Or someone loves traveling, so you can connect the other person with a traveling topic. Someone loves photography, you can connect with the photography. Someone loves reading books, so similarly you can connect with it depending on the recreational activity he does. And finally the message. M means message means the point. What is the point we are trying to connect with the other person? So this is what I wanted to